So, you're thinking about using Todoist to manage your projects and tasks. But maybe you're unsure about how to get started or if it's the right fit for you. I totally get it. You're not alone in wondering how to stay on top of everything, whether it's personal tasks or big projects at work. Don't worry. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through all the key features of Todoist, how to organize your tasks and collaborate with your team, and how to make it work for your unique needs. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in using Todoist to get organized and stay productive. So here's the deal. Todoist is pretty straightforward, but it's packed with enough powerful tools to keep things simple and efficient for those who need it. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a project management system that's either too complicated or too bare bones, Todoist strikes a great balance. Let me take you step by step and show you exactly how you can get the most out of it. To get started with Todoist, head over to Todoist.com. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry, it's really straightforward. You'll have the option to sign up for free, so no need to input any payment details initially. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or just your email address. It's all about making the process quick and hassle-free. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Todoist dashboard. At first, it might look like a blank slate, and that's actually a great thing. It means you're in control, ready to organize your tasks and projects in whatever way works best for you. You'll have the flexibility to create new projects, set deadlines, and prioritize tasks based on what matters most. Todoist's simple yet powerful interface is designed to help you stay organized without overwhelming you with too many options. Whether you're managing work tasks or personal to-dos, you can easily start building your task list and gain clarity on what needs attention first. Todoist uses a simple system of sections and tasks to help you break down large projects into manageable pieces. Sections give you a way to organize your work into smaller, more digestible chunks, making everything feel less overwhelming. For instance, let's say you're working on planning a new product launch. In Todoist, you could organize your project with sections like strategy, design, development, marketing, launch. Within each of these sections, you'll create individual tasks. The flexibility of Todoist allows you to structure your project in a way that works best for you. For your marketing section, tasks might look like: develop campaign brief, create landing page, write email copy, set up social media ads. Each task has its own set of customizable features, like setting due dates, adding priorities, attaching relevant files or links, and leaving detailed comments for further clarification. You can even break tasks down into subtasks, so you don't miss any of the small steps. With this setup, you'll know exactly what needs attention today and what can be moved to a later date. This kind of organization helps ensure that no details are overlooked, keeping your project on track every step of the way. Let's dive into team collaboration, which is one of the standout features of Todoist. If you're working on a team project, Todoist makes it super easy to get everyone on the same page. After setting up your project, all you need to do is click on Invite and enter your teammates' email addresses. Once they accept the invitation, you can start collaborating immediately. Everyone involved will be able to view and manage tasks, making it clear who is responsible for what. For example, if you're working on a project like organizing an event, you might assign specific tasks to team members like book the venue, assigned to John, order catering, assigned to Sarah, send invitations, assigned to Mark. To keep communication smooth and focused, Todoist lets you leave comments directly on tasks. This is super useful when discussing specific details or asking for updates. If the task is finalized guest list, someone might leave a comment asking, "Can we confirm the final number of guests?" This keeps everything in one place, so no information gets lost in email threads or messy chat logs. Todoist's collaboration features also allow you to set due dates, priorities, and subtasks, all while ensuring everyone stays aligned. It's especially helpful when working on larger teams or across multiple departments, ensuring no one misses out on critical details and everyone is always up to date. Todoist offers a few different views for organizing your tasks, which is great because we all have different ways of working. By default, you'll see tasks in the list view, where everything is neatly organized in a linear format. This can be perfect for people who like to see their tasks in a simple, straightforward list. However, if you're more visually inclined, you might prefer the board view, which displays tasks in columns, much like a Kanban board. This layout is perfect for those who need a clearer picture of their project's progress at a glance. In board view, you can create columns to reflect different stages of work, such as to do, tasks that are yet to be started, in progress, tasks you're actively working on, completed, tasks that are finished. Once you've set up your columns, it's easy to drag and drop tasks from one to the other. For example, if a task like design website is in the to-do column, once you start working on it, you can move it to in progress. When the task is finished, simply drag it to completed. This drag and drop functionality adds a visual element that makes it super easy to track your project's workflow. This feature is especially useful for teams collaborating on a project, as it allows everyone to stay on the same page and monitor progress without needing to ask for updates. It's also a great way to quickly assess how much work is left and what's already been accomplished. The visual organization really helps streamline workflows and gives you a clear overview of where things stand. Now that you've set up your project in sections, let's take a closer look at how you can manage your tasks in Todoist. When you add a task, it's not just about the task name. You can enhance it with several details that make managing everything more efficient. Pick a date that aligns with when you need the task done. This helps you prioritize your work and stay on track to meet deadlines. Todoist allows you to assign priority levels, P1, P2, P3, etc., to your tasks. If something is especially urgent or time-sensitive, mark it as P1 to ensure it stands out. This helps you stay focused on what's most important and avoid overlooking critical tasks. If you're collaborating with others, you can leave comments within each task to clarify details or ask questions. This way, everyone involved can contribute directly in the task itself, eliminating confusion and keeping all communication in one place. If you're working in a team, you can assign tasks to specific people. This ensures there's no ambiguity about who's responsible for what. By tagging the right team member, you can make sure everyone knows exactly what they need to work on. These features are especially helpful for keeping your project organized and transparent. When you break down tasks with clear deadlines, priorities, and responsibilities, it makes it easier for everyone to stay focused and aligned. Whether you're working solo or with a team, these options help streamline your process and make sure tasks don't slip through the cracks. Labels and filters in Todoist are incredibly useful features that help you keep your tasks organized and easy to find. Labels act as customizable tags that you can attach to tasks. This allows you to group similar tasks together based on certain characteristics, such as high priority, urgent, or work-related. For example, you might have a marketing label for all tasks related to campaigns, or a follow-up label for tasks that require checking in with clients. Filters, on the other hand, let you create custom views to display tasks that meet specific criteria. For instance, you can set up a filter that shows all tasks that are due today, or one that only shows tasks assigned to you. This is especially helpful for narrowing down your to-do list and focusing on what's most relevant at the moment. You can also create more complex filters, such as combining labels and due dates, so you see all high-priority tasks that are due this week. Together, labels and filters are a powerful combination that helps you sort through tasks, prioritize effectively, and avoid feeling overwhelmed by an ever-growing list of to-dos. By categorizing and filtering tasks, you can instantly identify what needs your attention most and stay focused on what's important, improving your productivity. Whether you're managing a single project or juggling multiple responsibilities, these tools make it much easier to stay on track and keep everything organized. One of the most effective ways to stay on top of your tasks and avoid missing deadlines is by setting reminders in Todoist. With this feature, you can create reminders that notify you at the exact time you need to focus on a task or when a deadline is quickly approaching. You can set reminders for specific times of day, whether you need a gentle nudge to start a task first thing in the morning, or a final push in the evening to wrap things up. These reminders ensure that you never forget important tasks, keeping you on schedule and preventing last-minute stress. You can even set recurring reminders for tasks that repeat regularly, such as weekly reports or monthly check-ins. Additionally, Todoist gives you the flexibility to adjust your reminder settings to suit your preferences. You can choose to receive notifications via mobile, email, or desktop, depending on where you're most likely to see them. With reminders in place, you can stay organized and focused without constantly checking your to-do list. It's a great way to maintain momentum and break larger projects into manageable, timely steps, ensuring that each task gets the attention it needs. Todoist Today and upcoming views are incredibly helpful for keeping your tasks organized and manageable. The Today view is all about focus. It highlights the tasks that are due today, helping you zero in on what needs to be done immediately. This view eliminates distractions by only showing you the tasks that require your attention right now, preventing you from feeling overwhelmed by future deadlines. On the other hand, the upcoming view gives you a sneak peek into the future. It lists tasks that are due in the days or weeks ahead, giving you an opportunity to plan your time and prioritize effectively. With this view, you can make adjustments to your schedule, ensuring that you're always prepared for upcoming responsibilities. By using both views together, you can manage your day-to-day workload while also staying on top of long-term goals. The Today view ensures that you're focused and productive, while the upcoming view allows you to strategically plan ahead and avoid last-minute rushes. These features work hand in hand to help you stay organized, reduce stress, and keep your workflows smooth and efficient. With Todoist's approach, you can tackle your tasks with clarity, making sure you're always ahead of the game. Now let's dive into Todoist's pricing options. The free plan is a great starting point for individuals or small teams, offering access to the essential features like creating tasks, setting due dates, and using labels and filters. With the free version, you can manage up to 5 active projects at once, which is sufficient for personal use or small-scale project management. If you're looking to unlock more advanced features, such as task reminders, priority support, and access to more powerful productivity tools, the Pro plan is a great option. At just around $4 per month, it offers excellent value for users who need additional functionality to stay on top of their tasks and projects. With the Pro plan, you also get the ability to create more projects and even set custom task priorities, making it easier to stay organized. For larger teams or businesses, Todoist offers the business plan at approximately $6 per month. This plan includes all the pro features plus advanced collaboration tools. These include shared team projects, task delegation, and real-time collaboration, which helps streamline workflows and improve team productivity. Additionally, the business plan offers more powerful administrative controls, enhanced reporting, and access to integrations, ensuring teams have the support and resources needed for effective project management. Overall, Todoist's tiered pricing structure allows you to choose the right plan based on your needs, whether you're an individual user looking for simplicity or a growing team needing robust collaboration features. Todoist is a simple but powerful tool that can help you manage your projects and tasks, whether you're working solo or with a team. It's easy to set up, easy to use, and flexible enough to adapt to your needs. Whether you're organizing work tasks, personal projects, or collaborative efforts, Todoist has everything you need to stay on track and get things done.